All SAP Business One users need to know how to change between one database, also known as a company, and another. This skill is necessary for a couple of pragmatic reasons. You must be able to switch easily between a production database and a test database. While the production database is used for genuine daily work and truly capturing business-related transactions, the test database, or sandbox database, is where you can go to learn, practice, investigate, and even experiment. In other words, master SAP Business One with hands-on experience in a safe test environment. Many companies running SAP Business One have more than one company database. One common reason is that these companies may be located in several countries and require separate databases with specific SAP Business One localizations and languages. To change the company database, simply navigate to the main menu Administration, choose Company. Click on Choose Company, and the Choose Company screen will appear. Notice that the company you're currently logged into is highlighted in the Companies on Current Server table. To change to any other company database, highlight the company database you want to connect to and click the Change User button. After you've filled in your SAP Business One user ID and password, click the OK button. Now you're logged into the company database you selected. Take a peek at the upper center of the SAP Business One main login screen. This message is to remind you of your username and to which company database you're logged in this case, OEC Computers. The Choose Company screen also addresses a few other potential scenarios. For example, a larger company might have multiple servers with different company databases on each server. The Choose Company screen allows you to also change the server and then refresh the screen to list the company databases specific to that server. You can also create multiple instances of SAP Business One running at the same time and have each of them logged in to the same company database or to different company databases at the same time. Note that you can't use the same username and password to simultaneously log in to SAP Business One from more than one workstation.